Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute. Had a lot of stuff going on and built my first PC ever. I used the phanteks p500a digital RGB case. It has a Asus Z490 e-gaming motherboard, NZXT. I can't remember what cooler it is. It's been a minute. But it's the 280 millimeter. Has a i9 10850K. I ordered more phanteks case fans so I can use one for the exhaust. So I have a couple of those left. And RTX 3090 Founders Edition. Trident ZRGB RAM. Running 32 gigs. RGB cable combs, as you can see. But also, it isn't much, but as you can see there, the 3090s actually have an LED light that changes color. Nobody ever mentioned that. I just assumed everything was all white, like the GeForce here. But that actually changes. Underneath, it's got the same thing, and that also changes like that does on the top. But I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out for a first build, and I can definitely say I'm happy with the build. As you can see, obviously there are wires. I haven't really done too much cable management just yet, as I wanted to get it together and see how I liked it. Well, I love it. Definitely better than any console you'll ever buy, that's for sure. But I also use a Xbox Series 2 Elite controller, and I used to be a PlayStation guy, and hands down that's the highest quality controller I've felt yet. Like, I really like it. Works great with PC as well, obviously. But other than that, that's one of the things I've been up to. And aside from that, I'm going to be uploading a whole lot more videos here soon. But just wanted to share that with you guys. And I also have this keyboard and mouse combo. Ordered this from Amazon. It was like 40 bucks. And I actually really like it. I got an Asus monitor. But I just wanted to upload this real quick. Show everybody one thing that I've been up to. But there's going to be a whole lot more videos coming now, since winter is pretty much coming to an end. So, till next time, you guys take care. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.